I want to show you how to mount umbrellas onto the ELB 500 head. Sometimes you end up with this problem where the umbrella shaft on some umbrellas is simply too big and doesn't fit into the mount on the ELB 500 head. But if you're using the ELB 500s, you probably have one of these adapters, which is a very simple way to make this work. If you notice, just put this down. If you notice, it has right where the handle is for tightening, it has this little receptacle here, and that's where, if you use this with the head, let's just stick that on there. I'm going to use this on a stand. And then I'm simply going to put, obviously it's loose now because I'm going to be putting the umbrella in there. And I'm going to put that in like that, hold this up, about there should be fine, and then tighten, and it tightens the umbrella mount and the unit itself, and you've got your umbrella mounted using the adapter you would also use to put this into your rotor luxes or any other Elinchrom modifier. Very simple.